Today we start our new chapter, Materials in Daily Life, chapter 3, on page 43. The materials we use in our daily lives are classified into two groups, that is, man made or synthetic materials and natural materials. Some examples of objects made from natural materials are wood, cotton, stones, clay, etc. These materials are known as terracotta, which means baked earth. These earthenwares are made from the natural material clay. Why these are called baked earthenware? Because these earthenwares are baked under fire. These are the objects made from natural material. For example, tires are made from rubber and dining table, chair, benches are made from wood and spoon utensils. All utensils are made from metals. Statues are made from the natural object like copper, etc. Likewise, many fibers are made from natural material as well as man-made materials. These fibers are made from monomers. Monomer is a single unit which join to form polymers. That means polymer is made up of number of monomers. These polymers are of two types, that is natural and man-made polymers. You might have studied natural polymers, that is natural fibers in the previous class. This year you are going to learn synthetic polymers or synthetic fibers. Examples of natural polymers are cellulose from plant, silk, wool, protein, etc. Examples of synthetic polymers are nylon, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, rayon, and Teflon, etc. Natural fibers are obtained from plants like cotton, jute, and animals like goat, sheep, camel, etc. Now the question is, write some characteristic features of synthetic fiber, rayon or nylon. Synthetic fibers are non-biodegradable, that means it does not decompose easily. It is easy to maintain. It stays for long days, that means it is durable, and it is less expensive. This is an image of rayon silk fiber. Rayon is a synthetic fiber which is blended with, that is mixed with, natural raw material like cellulose from wood pulp. Rayon silk is a first synthetic fiber formed from natural raw materials. It is mixed with cotton and silk to form a silky cloths. It is also mixed with wool to make carpets. Rayon silk is used for making reinforced tire. What is reinforced tire? It is a tire which is blended with this material to withstand the heavy load. Rayon silk is also used for making bandages and surgical dressings. These are the images of nylon materials. It is a synthetic polymer. The monomers of this nylon is adipic acid and hexamethyldiamine. Nylon fibers are elastic, very strong, and water resistant. Nylon is used for making tire cords, fabrics, ropes, and also it is used for making parachute ropes, fishing nets, bristle for brushes, saris, socks, etc. Nylon is also used for making hosiery. Hosiery meaning leg wear. The monomers of rayon is cellulose. Rayon silk is the first man-made artificial silk. Now let us see an activity 1. This activity is of to determine the relative water absorbing capacity of different fibers like cotton, silk, wool, rayon and nylon. Now we are going to take the weight of these different fibers. Using physical balance, we are going to take the weight of these materials separately. Now we are going to soak these all fibers in water for 3 minutes. Take out these fibers from the water Again, we are going to weigh these fibers separately. What do we observe? We will find that increasing weight is maximum in wool and followed by cotton, then rayon, silk, and is least weight in case of nylon. This activity shows that different fibers have different water absorbing capacities.